Every screen shows content, but only a few create impact. Welcome to NVS. Since 2010, NVS LED Wall has been powering India's visual transformation with world-class LED display solutions. Built for 24/7 performance, designed for Indian conditions, from critical command centers to high-impact outdoor advertising, NVS delivers reliability that never goes dark. Command and control centers, corporate boardrooms, retail and huge displays, auditoriums, architectural installations, every environment, one trusted name. With active LED technology, ultra-high brightness, seamless visuals, and precision engineering, NVS creates displays that don't just inform, they captivate. NVS, transforming every pixel into a powerful conversation.